Tutorial will guide you through on how to add auto text in Capcut Mobile completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
1. Open up the Capcut application on your smartphone device. Step is to click the Edit tab on the bottom left hand screen and click Create New Project. Video clip that you would like to add auto text in Capcut Mobile and click Add. Step, assuming you want to add auto text to this clip,
How to add.
just make sure it has audio. The bottom hand screen and click text next to overlay and audio. In case we have a couple different options to add text or to add auto captions. Caption feature will automatically add text. You can choose the different options. Change the template of the automatic text like so. You can click generate. Capcut Mobile will automatically apply the auto text in your video clip completely for free. Once you're happy or satisfied, you can go to the top hand screen and click done. The timeline.
How to add auto text to Capcut Mobile completely for free.
You have now successfully added auto text in Capcut Mobile completely for free.